Hey everybody, this is Kathy Stone from the Kathy Stone team and Beth and KT, and we're here today to tell you about an upcoming home buyer seminar that we're having on January 18th from 10 to 12 here at our office. So if one of your goals this year is to buy your first home, it would be a great opportunity for you to attend to learn the process. We're going to have a lender here. We're going to answer all your questions. We're going to take you through the process so that you understand everything you need to know to buy your first dream home.
At last year's seminar that we had in January, we had some first-time home buyers there. I know I personally had several clients there, and this was so invaluable to help them prepare to make all of the decisions that they needed to make to buy their first home. So if you are thinking about buying a home this year, this is really a good resource for you to start the new year off.
This is a great opportunity to allow our team to help you plan for the future and the home that you want.
So just send us an email at Kathy Stone Team if you're interested, and we will look forward to seeing you. It's January 18th from 10 to 12 here at our office. We're going to be serving breakfast. It's going to be a lot of fun, so we hope to see you there. And Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.